Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, me go give you the daily news because you know say I saw Atafa the Press drop it. A Jamaica Public Service, JPS, customer who receive a bill for $80,000 is rejecting the charge from the power company, which says an electricity leak is to blame for the amount. The aggrieved customer, Marva Foster, told the Gleaner that for 4 years from January 2021 to June 2024, JPS had generated estimated bills. The bill for June was estimated to be $31,136. Una hear all them something, my wisdom warriors? When I hear them something, so basically them charge the woman $80,000 and turn around and say electricity leak. You never hear say electricity a leak yet? Hey, from the barn. You never hear say, me understand when gas leak, but me never know say electricity leak. What do you mean electricity leak? You know what? These people, hey, honestly, this JPS company, I don't know what is wrong with them, you know. I don't know what is wrong with them. Uno always I put up people bill. Too much enough to stop it, man. If people then can't even, all this a person I could as well can't even find $1,000. Seriously, 80,000? 80,000 and turn around and I tell the person say electricity leak from the barn. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think. The Spanish Town Criminal Investigation Branch is probing a gun attack on a man at his home in Shelter Rock. The 22-year-old remains hospitalized with multiple gunshot wounds. It is reported that he was at home when around 12:30 p.m. on Tuesday, he was attacked by a gunman who shot him repeatedly. My wisdom warriors, una hear what gone from what a gone. Member say Horace Chang team and Jones administration come out and say crime is still reducing. All when them see gunshot are back in the street, them still them still as the crime is reducing. I think they're only doing it for international news. They want to look good in a foreign country. That's all it is. But reality, they not face reality, my wisdom warriors. Them not face reality. Anyway, wanna tell me what you think. A man who spent 3 years in custody facing charges for murder and robbery before the prosecution offered no evidence against him December 2017 has won a Supreme Court award of $14.6 million with interest against the government. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Want to hear what me just say? A man who spent 3 years in custody facing charges for murder and robbery before the prosecution offered no evidence against him in December 2017 has won a Supreme Court award of $14.6 million with interest against the government. Charles Montague, 44, a caretaker and farmer, was awarded $6.8 million for false imprisonment and $7.4 million for malicious prosecution, which includes aggravated damages. He was also awarded special damages of $450,000 with interest. Una hear them thing, yeah? Una hear them something, my wisdom warriors? Mighty God of Daniel, me I tell you now, a whole heap more people in a prison, you know. I go through this, you know. Whole heap more innocent people, innocent man, innocent youth, they are prison, my wisdom warriors, and them not do nothing. You understand? I wish the human lobby group could reach out to enough of them. Yeah, because few people reach out to me, you know, you have few people in the prison, they reach out to me, my wisdom warriors, and them tell them story, them tell me them story. One of them tell me say they in their prison for 26 years and they never do no crime. So this is why me I say there's a lot of youth, my wisdom warriors, in prison. A lot of them in prison and they need help because them innocent. Them innocent. Jesus, God no. You know what? No amount of money can make this man forget about how everything went down and in time in prison and everything. No amount of money. But you know what? At least this can help him. This can help him to build up in future. This can help him a long way if he put his money to use. Jaja, I will just hold it more people, my wisdom warriors, needy help like this man. I got the pan for him side, you know. God is on his side. God is on his side. And as I said before, a lot of youths in a prison were innocent to the day, but then have nobody to stand up for them. And enough of them family are from poor background. You understand? You don't know how the things set already right there, so. Jaja. 2 human rights lobby groups, Stand Up for Jamaica and Jamaicans for Justice, are once again urging the government to take immediate action to protect the rights of Haitians who have arrived in the country. You know what I like about the Jamaican for Justice? Them a work, my wisdom warriors. Them a work. Them really is working. I like how them a stand up in the government neck. Yes. I like the way how them a stand up in the government neck with everything. Because then sister, the government corrupt, you know. Them sister, the government corrupt, and this a government here break every constitution. Yes, this government break the law of the lands. What you wanna do? What Andrew Wellness administration wanna do, my wisdom warriors? If you have the law of the lands where this man break, what you wanna do? You have to look into things, you know. So me like how Jamaicans for Justice come out and stand up for the people of Haiti. Me like it. Because remember human groups, you know. Remember human rights come out, you know. Remember, so them go down at the station, you know, to help the Haitians, them, you know. Them are human rights. They have all rights to speak to them. And then bar them, then stop them. It is not right. And I saw it go. And I saw it go. And from them, I stop them, you know where that I come from. That I come from upper top. Horace Chang, I don't get you, brother. What is wrong with you guys? What is wrong with you? And you only pick up himself, gone over America, gone trick the people, them. Other day over America and tell them about how you care for Haiti and this. You don't care for nobody but your damn self and your family. You don't care for nobody. Nobody at all. Imagine crime and violence is going on in Haiti. Crime and violence is going on in Haiti, you know. And the people, them are run for refuge, for rescue. You know what? You know would I like that happen to you, Jamaican people? Let me ask you a question. You know would I like something like that happen to you? Crime and violence in a foreign country and una run to another country for rescue and then turn on the back. Una would like that? No. Una wouldn't like that. You understand me? The type of comment when I say these labor rights is writing. Go back on the country, we don't want to. We are all black people, we are all one. A white man will never, wait there, a pale man would never do that to another pale man. Never. Only black people alone do that. And guess what? And the pale man use a black man to fight against another black man. Come like you not see the levels. No for you not see the levels and say what go on. You did they talk about you no want this you no want pale man, you no want. But look what program him that the one there, Andrew Wallace. Puppet pan a string. Who pull for him string. You go like you no know. So when my son come out. You come out and a comment and make bad comment about Haitians. Come on. A whole heap of Jamaicans live in Haiti, you know. A whole heap of Jamaicans live in Haiti. You understand? The Haitians, them are not bad people, you know. Them are nice people. Them are nice people. And if listen, the people them are run for rescue. You have babies. This will show you the heart, you know, of the government, you know. I want to pray that, you know, Jamaica. Remember, mothers come with them baby, you know. And you send back everybody gone in the crime and violence, you know, we are happening, you know. Mothers with them baby, not even the baby, not even for the sake of the baby, would answer make me think. Yeah? Maybe just sit down and think and help them baby. Yeah? Not even that, you know, do. A young baby, them and the baby, they need help. You not even say, boy, for the sake of the baby, may I go help them. May I go help even the mothers, them, and the father will come. Not even that, you know, do. That's for sure, no, the heart where Jamaica Labour Party have. Is a wicked set of people. My wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about that.
I want the world to see what I go and see that place a crumble. From all angle. Right? The place to crumble from all angle. See there? From all angle to crumble. Ange will listen to the people them want to go on. Jai Stone and tell the people them want to go on. You understand? Jamaica don't have a prison, Jamaica have a dumb. All our fundamental rights has been violated 100%. There's an infringement upon our rights. Our institutional rights have been violated 100%. Our human rights have been violated 100%. See there? Place a tear down, see there? You understand? Place a crumble.
My wisdom warriors, wanna see what going in at the prison. Wanna see what going in at the prison. Prison a crumble. Wanna see that? Prison a crumble down. The prison need fixing. Wanna see that? That can cost lives. This where you see the youth a show can take life. What is the government really doing? What is the government doing? When they done, they come and tell lie how them a do rehabilitation program for the youth them in a prison. Lie them a tell. The youth them say they not get no help. They not get no help, my wisdom warriors. Jano. It rough, you know. It rough for me people them. And I would like the government of Jamaica to make sure say these things that are happening, this what the youth show, the place need fixing. The place need fixing, Andrew Holness. The place need fixing. This is dangerous. This is dangerous, Andrew Holness. Come on. Do something to help the prisoner them. A long time the prisoner them a ball out. A long time the prisoner them a talk. Do something to help the people them, man. You're too wicked, brother. My wisdom warriors, me have the attack claps for owner ya so. Me box cover, labor right, them a turn pan labor right. Taking this.
Vegas, come here. Tell me what going on in your life, Vegas. Tell me what going on in your life. You a madman. Are you a waste man? Are you a funny man? Are you a chichi man? What make you so worried? What make you so worried?
Yes, man. Ask him again. You know from when me want somebody to fix in business. You know from when me want somebody to fix up in business, my wisdom warriors, and somebody from out time own a camp for fixing business. Wanna see?
Hey, Vegas, you know, so all we see you are going. This a man can't be trusted. Hello, what you say you know look at position in a party and you know give you no position for the reason why. You tell the Prime Minister say you want to repent. You look rust, yo.
Hey, Tory, come to both my wisdom warrior. Lord Jesus, so just a little part that me can drop going on. I have to go over TikTok, go watch the rest. Tell me what you think about that and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome guys. Remember to run over to my X, my IG and my TikTok. Follow me, the link I got there in the comment section. You can also join the WhatsApp group. All you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.